What if I told you that with the right strategy, you could get 28 hot leads in a week? In this video, what I'm going to do is show you the exact process of how you can get 28 qualified sales leads every single week for your business, regardless of what niche you're in. And with this powerful system for booking sales calls and getting qualified sales leads, you'll be able to predictably scale your business without relying on referrals or word of mouth. If you haven't yet, I highly suggest you get into cold emailing, because as a mechanism for booking sales calls and getting hot leads, it is incredible. From a cost efficient standpoint, let's subtract labor. You might be spending 70 cents to $3 per qualified lead if you do it yourself. You can go from getting 25 to 28 qualified leads a month to 25 to 30 qualified leads a week just by building a campaign that works, and then you scale it. Another thing about cold emailing though is you can target specific segments of your audience base on various levels, such as industry, company size, job title, recent news. It allows you and empowers you for really personalized and relevant communication, which also increases your chances of conversion. What we're going to talk about next is actually the strategy. What we've been doing is using AI to boost our personalization strategy on a mass scale to a lot of people specifically for them. So this is under a campaign. You can go under leads, and on the right hand side next to add leads, you have AI prompts. If you click on that, there are all sorts of templated prompts that you can use if you'd like, but you can also plug in and create your own prompts with ChatGPT or OpenAI. We're using this to create a specific message unique to every person we're reaching out to, referencing either their website or their LinkedIn. This makes it so that you're extremely relevant and it doesn't come across as spam. Another part of our strategy and why we're using AI is its efficiency, because using an AI to generate these ideas saves us a ton of time. And instead of manually reaching out and crafting personalized content for every single person, we're using OpenAI to quickly produce high quality, relevant ideas that we've guided it to procure and create for us. Another thing we're using with AI is we're creating value up front. That's the goal here, is to capture the individual, let them know you want to help them, you know where they need help, or you know the pains that they're trying to solve, you know their ambitions they're trying to get to, and you're using AI to get there. Another aspect that's extremely important about all this is you need to have a good database. We here at Instantly, we use our own database. So if you sign into your profile on the left-hand side, there's a lead finder. And right here, you can find CEOs, let's say in the United States, and let's do marketing agencies. Once you find all these people that you want to reach out to, you click on select all and you add to a campaign, and you can instantly add them to a campaign. We will verify it and get them moved over. How do you write this email script? Well, the first thing we do is we focus for personalization using the recipient's first name and their company. What this does is this grabs their attention. The second part of our script is we use our value proposition. We make sure that we're instantly piquing the recipient's interest by suggesting actionable insights, and they're being offered without any obligation. The next part here is having a cost-effective solution. What I mean by this is we mention our tool and how it can help the people we're reaching out to implement the ideas that we are suggesting at a very cost-effective level. The next part is our call to action. It's super simple, low commitment, clear, and concise. What we've been using is asking if we can send over a video demonstrating how they could get started with our product. This encourages engagement and it's not too demanding. Depending on your business, it could be sending them to a webinar, it could be getting them booked on a sales call, getting them engaged. That's the point. Lastly, we have a professional credibility. We sign off using our co-founder's name or the professional looking signature. This builds credibility and trust. If they want to look us up, we can control that whole process. Another aspect you need to consider is having someone managing your inbox. If you're getting a lot of opportunities coming in, you want to be able to jump on that quickly. We have a dedicated inbox manager, someone who's always watching our inbox and replying. If you're an organization that can't support that, what you could use is the AI inbox manager. If you go under your profile, under settings, and then preferences, right here at the top, if you turn this on, what will happen is when someone responds, "Hey, I'm interested, I'd love to learn more," it will within 5 minutes respond and push to get them on a call. You want to respond within that 5 to 10 minute range because you're already top of mind. Another component that's important when you're building your campaigns, make sure that you have follow-up campaigns, because the more emails you send, the higher the chances are of them responding. I suggest you use 3 to 5 follow-up emails in your reply campaign because this will increase your chances of getting someone to respond. Another thing is you just gotta test. Try a ton of variations. Let's say you write one email, it's your initial email, write 5 different variations of it and do A/B testing, and do the same thing for your second and your third and your fourth email. Because within our platform, you're able to see how different variations are working. Right here, there are 5 different variations per step, and I can see which ones are being opened, which ones are being responded to, and I've created multiple variations of every single step. I can look at what's working, use that, eliminate what's not working, and write new copy and continue to tweak it until it's performing and getting me a higher and higher response rate. The last thing I want to touch on that really impacts cold email campaigns is your offer. You got to create an irresistible offer that people can't say no to. And this is paired with understanding the person you're reaching out to, understanding their pain points, understanding their ambitions. If you're curious about the software that I use for cold emails and for this AI strategy, it's Instantly AI. You can check it out now in the link in this bio. Also, click on this video if you want to watch a full Instantly.ai tutorial so that you can send thousands of emails a day and convert them to paying customers. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.